Hey guys, I'm going to shoot a video with assistance of Tlatso and Tlotlo, and they're going to help me to shoot active and passive EdTech tools. So let's get going, guys. Let's go outside. Okay, who's gonna read first? Welcome to Young and Proud Educators KKG, and we're back at it.
Me.
I
have whiteboard 5.
Whiteboard 5, awesome. Whiteboard 5 is definitely, it can be two. It can be active or passive EdTech, but in general sense, I would say it's an active EdTech tool where you are engaging with your children. They type their answers, they type the responses. You ask, like, you collaborate as a class, working together. And it's not just them listening to you or watching what you do as a teacher, but they also take part. They are engaged, physically engaged, mentally. They're following everything that you're doing. So it's definitely active ed tool. So let's move to Google. Flipgrid, awesome. It's a video-orientated EdTech tool. It's more like TikTok. So this one is definitely active EdTech tool that teachers can use with their children in the class, where children create their very own content in class. More like it's beautiful and gives freedom of expression from the children, where children, they just jump in there and then just create content. However, they can create their own faces or just voices. They can dance. They can present any content however they want. So definitely, Flipgrid is active EdTech tool. Ella Telang. Edpuzzle just gave live. Edpuzzle gave live to video. Remember, video previously, just record a video, be it YouTube video or any kind of video. You just record, and the children just watch. But EdTech gave it live, made it active learning tool. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because you read, the children watch the video, then it stops. Then there's a question that pops. The children have to engage or respond to the question, and they place again. And that's a beautiful active learning tool. What's the next one, Kato? Kahoot is beautiful, guys. So it's you with your children. You ask them a question and they respond. Remember, when you are with your children in your class, it's about 20, if you have 25 or whatever number that you have in your class, you ask them, you only receive one response from each. But if you're using Kahoot in your class, then you're asking all of them one question, then all of them respond. So they are all engaged. So it's gamified EdTech tool where children are just playing, having fun, and it's more like competition, but everybody responds, everybody's taking part. So it's definitely active EdTech tool. Next one, Book creator as well is awesome. It makes each and every child in your class to be an author. You give them that power, that authority, that right to say, you know what, you can create a book however you like, and then just put your thought into it and create your own book. Using pictures, videos, links, everything. So book creator definitely active EdTech tool that you guys can use in your classes. Next one, please. Loom. Normally in my class I'm using Loom as passive EdTech. Why I'm saying that, because I only create videos for my children to watch. So you can use Loom as passive, or you can use it as an active. Passive, you just create videos, so record your slides, record whatever that you have for your children for them to watch, and that's it. But again, you can it's more advanced. I've never explored the part where you can share with your children and they add and then everybody's taking part. So I've never explored the active part of it, but for now I would say Loom, as I'm using it, it's a passive EdTech tool that we can use with our children in our classrooms to record our screens and our lessons for our kids. Next one, please.
YouTube.
YouTube is the biggest learning space, but to using in the classroom, it's passive. I think that's the only passive tool that I have for now, guys. So YouTube is passive because your children sit and then they watch a video, and that's it. They do nothing with the video. They can't engage with the video. They can't question the video. They cannot do that. So YouTube, my friend, I'm sorry, you're the only passive EdTech tool that I have. Next one, please. Oh, thank you to the PDF Filler. PDF Filler, awesome. PDF Filler, it's great. I love it. PDF where you create things on your docs, or then you just convert it to PDF and give your children to just read and read. In that case, it was passive, but PDF Filler gave it life to it, and it turned it to be active EdTech too, because now children can read in the space where they can just fill up the answers, and just like that. So it's beautiful and it's active definitely for me. How's the next one? Quizzes, same as Kahoot. Quizzes is beautiful. It's active EdTech tool where you guys spend your time, your learning with your children, having fun, it's gamified, and then children are taking part in your lesson, and it's all beautiful. So it's active for me. Pear Deck is awesome as well. Pear Deck is awesome as well. Pear Deck is active EdTech tool where you create your slides and Google Slides, and then afterwards then you just add Pear Deck, and then you can now engage. You can be put the interaction, engaging on it, and you just enjoy your class teaching, presentation, discussion with your children. And definitely Pear Deck, it's active EdTech tool that you can use in our different classes. Guys, that's all for now. We got 10 of them, and I hope you use them and enjoy them in your classes. If you have a question, please ask us. For now, guys, it's
Peace to the family.